Hello there, Pat Minner here. I'm going to do a demo on firearms, and this is the new Smith & Wesson Governor, and this is the Ranch on duty holster. As you can see, the duty holster holds several rounds of ammo. 6 rounds. You can mix and match whichever you want to do. It's a great little holster. Of course, the Smith & Wesson Governor, it will shoot several different rounds: 410, 45 Colt, or 45 ACP. So my thoughts on the subject is that if you really were in a survival mode, would you want 3 or 4 different pistols with 3 or 4 different calibers, or would you want something where you can carry the same ammo? Well, that's a no-brainer. So the 45 ACP, 45 Colt, 410 shot shell would handle about anything that you'd need to handle. And then of course the backup would be the Bond Arms 45 Colt 410 Derringer, which would complement your arsenal greatly. So you'd be drawing from a bag ammo that would pretty much be the same ammo. So, with the exception of the 45 ACP, this won't fire this. Now I do have a 22 Magnum barrel for this. It's very easily interchangeable. Just unscrew the screw and put the 22 Magnum barrel on. You got it. So anyway, for the mountains, the woods, whatever, you would want to make this is a good choice. Of course, you could do some different calibers, but this is a real powerful arsenal to defend yourself with against man or animal. So, thought I'd share that with you. Pat Minner here. Thanks.